I'm David Gerard, and this is Pivot to AI. Today, I didn't really want to do more vibe coding, but there's reasons that getting an LLM to write your application for you ends up, like we saw in yesterday's episode, with a big pile of security bugs that just get you ownzord. There's a new preprint called LLMs are Bug Replicators, which was spotted by Thomas Claiborne at the Register. So LLMs repeat whatever they're trained on, right? You know that. So the researchers realized what this means. If you train the LLM on average buggy code, you'll get back average buggy code. They didn't just assume this. They went out and tested it on 7 LLMs on Java code from the Defects4j and ConDefects collection of common errors. There's some mistakes developers just make over and over. Errors in logic and meaning. Even if the syntax is right, some tasks are just really prone to making certain mistakes. So what happens when you give an LLM code with bugs in and you tell it to fix them? Guess what? It repeats the bugs. 44% of the bugs the LLMs made were actually completely identical to the previous buggy code. They didn't change it at all. That number's 82% for GPT-4o. So it looks like the common bugs are all through the standard training data, which almost certainly included all of Defects4j and ConDefects. And in bug-prone tasks, the likelihood of LLMs generating correct code is nearly the same as generating buggy code. They tested some so-called reasoning models like DeepSeek R1. These don't do any better. The problem is in the training data. I've noticed this myself in commercial real-world development shops. If you have a bad coder, you know a bad coder from a good coder, if a bad coder says GitHub Copilot is the best productivity enhancer they've ever met, you'll find they use Copilot to make more problems. Every Jira they close, 3 more open. I've spoken to others who've seen the same thing happen. I know good coders myself who think an LLM-based autocomplete is fine, because they know what they're doing. If you don't know what you're doing, you're just going to do it worse, but, faster. Thanks for tuning in to Pivot to AI. Like, subscribe. I'll try not to call it Vibescribe too often. And if you like this episode, tell one other person about it. Pass on the link. We also take money not to code with an LLM. There's Patreon and Coffee links in the show notes. Thank you all, and bye for now.